See you are. I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. Right down here in the bottom there and stand once, Chris. Right there. Whoa, whoa. Now I want you to stand beside the snow pile. Show you how big it is. Jeez, you can't even stand up. You're a heck of a guy. Now, don't be throwing stuff or I ain't going to do this. Here, get up on top of that snow pile now. Right here. Get up there and walk right across the top of it. Show you how far it is. Now, don't do that or I'm going to quit taking your picture. Now, walk across the top there. I want to show them. I want to get up here a little bit. I want to show Barb just how high our snow is.
What?
I want to show Barb how high our snow is. Now, I'm going to smack you. Where are you at? Now walk across the snow pile. I don't think you can walk across the snow pile. Well, that's a pile of snow, isn't it? Here, walk down toward the house there. Down off the snow pile onto the porch.
What?
Walk down that way. I think that dumb mutt needs his picture taken. What's that dog doing? I want to take a picture here, okay. I want to take... This is my front yard. How about that? I want to look up there and see what we got up here for snow on the roof. Uh-oh, there's a phone ringing. Where's the dog? Oh, there she comes.
Take care of it.
Huh?
Take care of it.
I just wanted to show everybody just what this looked like out here today. Now, don't do that, Chrissy. God damn it. I can't see.
I look what this stuff out.
Now, what are you doing?
Show your finger.
I see you are. There goes the dog. It wants to get up there in that snow pile, too. Hey, bring her down. It's starting to snow again. We'll get in the house.
What?
Bring her down. It's too cold to stay outside.